Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, you did know, say, enough soul out there. We need Jesus. You know what you have to do? You have to pray and ask God, we own the soul them, for send out in people them in I feel, for reap the harvest. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right there. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 10 from verse 1 to verse 16. After this, the Lord picked 72 other followers them and send them out two for go everywhere in plan for go. Him said to them, say, no food they out there in I field for pick, but enough people not there for gather them. Ask the Lord we own the food for send out people for pick them. Me a send no go out, but uno a go come in like baby sheep with them amongst wolf. Go on. No carry no money, no pack no bag, no walk with no other slippers. And when you no dip on no way, no tell nobody howdy. When time uno a go on nobody yard, the first thing uno fi do, I say, God, make your peace come down panda yard ya. If the head of the house love peace, peace when no call down, we turn with him. But if him no love peace, the peace when no call down, nah go turn with him. The man will love peace and take on in a film yard uno fitan. Nyam and drink with them go no, cause if somebody walk, then forget pay. Uno fitan a 1 yard and no move from yard to yard. Anytime uno go in a one town and the people them take uno in, nyam with them go no. Cure the one them we sick and say to them, God kingdom come which part uno there. But if uno go in a one town and they no want take uno in, go in at the road and tell them this. We are wipe off the dust off our foot for show no. Say God not happy with you no. He might go judge you no. But remember say God kingdom come which part uno there. Me I tell you this. When judgment day come, it will go easier for Saddam than for the people them in that town. Trouble for you, Chorazin. Trouble for you, Bethsaida. If the people will live in a Tyre and Sidon, did see the miracle them where uno see me do amongst uno, them would have sorry for them wrong and change them ways long time. Them would have sit down in ashes and wear crocus bag for sure say they mean it. It go easier for Tyre and Sidon pan judgment day than for uno. Like a you, Capernaum. You think say God go lift you up at heaven and honor you? No. him a go fling you down a hell. If you don't know what him a say, Jesus said to him 72 follower them, anybody will listen to unu, listen to me. Anybody will turn them back pa unu, turn them back pa me. Them will turn them back pa me, turn them back pan the one will send me. God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.